Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'll be doing the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ versus the Ferrari 488 Pista. So, for now, both of these cars look very nice in my opinion. The Aventador just looks much better, and the 488 Pista also looks pretty nice. But I do like the Aventador look a little bit better, but both of these cars honestly look very, very nice. As you guys see here, they both have very aggressive looking diffusers, and they both do have dual exhausts. Really like the Aventador SVJ wing right there. But yeah, both of these cars look very nice. But right now, let's get a startup on both and see which one sounds better. Alright guys, so right now we are gonna head to the start, which is down at the dealership, and then we'll probably do a race all the way down to the other side. But yeah, let's head down there right now. Both these cars are pretty quick. The Aventador is a bit more expensive, but both these cars are pretty nice. So let's do a quick race over here. I'm pretty sure this is going to be pretty close because both of these cars are honestly pretty quick. So yeah, have the Aventador over here, and we have my 488. So let me do this right here. Right. Go. Right, so the Pista has the better launch so far, but the Aventador is down by a bit. I think the SVJ actually messed up the launch there, but yeah, so far the 488 is winning, but I'm pretty sure it's because the SVJ messed up the launch there. But yeah, this 488 is pretty quick for the price. Alright guys, so right now we are gonna do a light test on both these cars, the SVJ and the 488. First off, we have the SVJ over here. We have the headlights, hazards. We also have the reverse lights and the hazards in the back. Pretty cool there, as you guys see. Pretty detailed lights on the SVJ there. As you guys all see, pretty nice looking lights here on the SVJ. But yeah, let's test out the Ferrari lights here. So we do have the headlights, tail lights, we have the brake lights, reverse lights, pretty bright reverse lights, pretty nice. And then we have the blinkers here, blinkers in the front there, and we do have hazards. Pretty nice guys, as you guys see there. Here are both of them on at the same time. Very bright lights on the 488 Pista. But yeah, let's do another race and see which one is quicker. Alright guys, we are redoing the race right now. Here we go. And There we go. We did launch both at the same time there. So far, both these cars are pretty good, but so far the 488 is beating the SVJ there. Honestly, this is pretty good for the 48 because the 488 is actually cheaper than the Aventador by a couple $100,000. So this is pretty nice, but the Aventador SVJ is slowly catching up a bit there. But yeah, the 488 takes the win there. Alright guys, so here are the colors for the 488. We have red with the stripes, and then red without the stripes. And then we have this gray color here with stripes and without the stripes. We also have white here with the blue stripes, very nice color. And we have white without the stripes also, pretty clean. Do have yellow with the stripes here, it looks very nice in my opinion. And also yellow without the stripes. We also have red. Here's red again. But yeah, those are the colors on the Ferrari 48 here. We also have the black color with white stripes, and we have black without the stripes, pretty clean there. But yeah, let's move on to the SVJ colors. Alright guys, so on the SVJ we have a black color here, pretty clean in the black color. And then we have the white color here, which is also very clean. Really like the white color on the Aventador. We also have red, pretty clean. I really like red on the Aventador. And we have blue, which is the default color, also a very nice color on the Aventador SVJ. And lastly, we have a green color, which makes this thing pop out pretty nicely here, as you guys may all see. Okay guys, so the price for the Ferrari 488 Pista here is $464,000, and for the SVJ it is $699,000, which is basically $700,000. Well guys, that is going to conclude this video guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down some video ideas. Let me know what you guys want to see. But yeah, make sure to subscribe so we reach 3,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email. Walking right on